Welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to sew a sleeve with cuff and placket. It's very simple. So here is my fabric. I've cut out the place, and for the bias I'm going to use is 1.25, as you can see. So this is the slit I've made for the placket. I'm going to go ahead and stitch 0.25 out. So place it like this. Just watch the way I'm going to place the slit I made. So you're going to sew 0.25 and flip this the sleeve. You flip it the other way like that, and go ahead and stitch all the way down. Make sure you align it properly with the bias and stitch out 0.25. After you're done stitching this, you're going to notch that place, the place where you have the slits ended. So I'm going to notch this place here properly. This is very important so that the placket will relax properly. Next, I'm going to fold this. So make sure, pay attention to see how I'm going to fold this. Remember, we have sewn out 0.25 and the bias is 1.25. So you fold ½ inch and fold another ½ inch again, and then you proceed to sewing this. So when you are sewing this, make sure when you get to the place where the slit stopped, you're going to stop there. So align your fabric so that that place where the slit stopped is going to be aligned properly. So see how I'm trying to make sure it aligns properly. Can you see? So when I get to the place where the slit stopped, I'm going to pivot to the other side. So arrange this properly. So this is where the slit stopped. When I get to the place, I'm going to pivot this to the other side. So I raised up my lever and continue to sew it. So this other side is the side that is going to overlap the placket. So this side we are going to sew it out. The other first side we sewed it inside. I hope you understand. So make sure you notch that slit opening, that place, notch it properly, and then you are going to place this like this. Can you see? This time around you are not folding it into two. You're just going to make sure you have like 0.5 inches there, and you're going to do a stitch in the ditch. This side is the side that is going to cover up the placket. So I'm so sorry, there was power outage when I was doing this, but thank God it's back. So this is it. Can you see? You do a stitch in the ditch. This way the placket will overlap properly. Can you see how it is? This is very easy and simple. Just pay attention and you will be able to get it. Make sure to practice and you will understand what I'm trying to say. So this is it. I'll go ahead to gather this and make the cuff. Here is my fabric for the cuff, and you can see I have folded one edge. So I'm going to go ahead and sew the rectangle. So from the side I folded in, I'm going to sew in 0.5 inches all around the rectangle. At this point I'm going to iron this properly, and then for the sleeve I'm going to make a gathered stitches. I'm gathering this. If you want to pleat yours, you can pleat it, but the style I'm making has a gathers, so I'm going to be making gathers. So I'm sewing gathering stitches, or if you call it running stitches, whichever one. After doing that, I'm going to gather it and I'm going to sew this into the cuff. So right side facing together, I'm going to place this like this and stitch 1/2 inch.